Well, I don't think the government should be waiting for the numbers of cases to rise even further, or even more people to be suffering from COVID to be hospitalised before they introduce additional measures to reduce the spread of this virus. I think the government should, now be, reintroducing the enforcement powers that there were to wear a face mask on public transport. In July, the government changed the national requirement to wear a face mask on public transport. That meant we couldn't use British Transport Police, Metropolitan Police or City of London to enforce face mask wearing on public transport. That's led to less compliance than there were before July. I think the government could do that now without waiting for matters to get worse. The government could now, without waiting for Plan B, improve ventilation in many buildings, including schools. The government could now give more support to those having to self-isolate with more sick pay. The government could now do much more to advertise and promote the booster jab as well as the flu jab. So let's not wait for things to get worse for Plan B to come in. Let's introduce now some of the measures that are going to be in Plan B. Well, I've seen, not just in City Hall, but across London, employers make huge changes in their places of work to make them COVID safe. They've transformed the workplace to make sure they're COVID safe, but also we know Transport for London is providing public transport that is COVID safe. We've asked Imperial College to regularly test public transport in London. They've not found one case of COVID on public transport. That's why it's so important to enforce face mask wearing on public transport. At the moment, I see no reason for people to work from home if they've got a safe place to work and they're wearing a face mask in public transport. That's why I'm impatient for the government to go back to the system we had before July the 19th, where there was enforcement of face mask wearing using the police. And the sooner we do that, the sooner we can really get on top of this virus to avoid a situation where we need to have a Plan B.